Do our pull our first potatoes of the season, and really excited about this. Wife has done a tremendous job, so let's go ahead and see her in action. And here we go. She is pulling and pulling. Look at all those roots. It's one thing I didn't know, folks, is there are a lot of roots attached to a potato plant. You can obviously see potatoes. Look at those right there. Wow, they look just like potatoes in the store. Maybe even better. They haven't got all dinged up, damaged. So when you planted that was one seed potato, right?
Yeah.
So far 5 potatoes off of it. There's number 6. That's a big one. That looks like a big old Idaho.
Actually, I think this was the original potato.
What? So that one's not edible? Or we'll cut that one up again. So that's it right there?
Mm-hmm.
Now that's going to go in the compost pile?
Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and pull them all.
Wow. Okay, so since we had such good luck, and it's Father's Day, and I don't have to do anything today. So I wonder if any of those potatoes will pop off as you're pulling them out, you know?
Yeah, they do. I'll have to.
So like
I'll
you're
have
gonna
to
have to
dig
get
in
your
there.
hands dirty while I stay clean.
So,
Oh, little babies,
Yeah.
are those little reds?
No, these are the Gold Rush.
Gold Rush potatoes.
So, see, here's the
Oh,
original.
okay, look at that.
Look.
That is amazing that it turned into another potato.
Right, so if we would have left it in longer, those potatoes would have got bigger, and then we would have had a little bit more smaller potatoes.
But you could put it back in there if you wanted to. Right?
No, I don't
No,
want to
you
do
killed the root
that.
system.
I don't want to do that. So,
Now, I imagine you're going to read up to see if it's okay to eat that potato.
I'll read up on it, but I'm pretty sure I wouldn't eat it.
Okay. All right. Doing
Do you
good
want me
so
to
far.
do more?
Yeah.
Do
why
this
not?
whole pot?
Might as well.
Okay, this has only 2 stalks, so I'm wondering, are we only going to get 2 potatoes?
Whoa. Don't hurt your back. Look at that power. My girl's been lifting weights. Wow, the root system goes all the way down, folks. Oh, you can barely see it, but I think it almost went to the bottom of the pot. And so how many different times did you put dirt in this thing? Or?
So this one...
Yep, there's a little baby.
Yeah.
Little baby.
There's one.
Oh, there we go.
Those babies are really good for cooking.
Yeah.
So we got
Not so
like
much for making mashed taters, though.
2.5 on it.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's the...
Yeah.
So that'll be awesome if you can take those and replant those.
No, we'll start with
out.
new ones and fresh ones. So these I'm going to let go for a couple more weeks.
Because of how bad that one was? Or what?
Yeah, so we can just get more potatoes and
Yeah,
have bigger
'cause look
ones.
At that. There are all kinds of little babies that we missed out on.
So we're going to leave that one alone.
Were you going to dig down there and see if there's more potatoes you might have missed? Got ripped off. Yeah, get those hands dirty. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. We would have lost 2 potatoes, folks. And they would have rotted and stunk. Oh, a third. A third. So they do fall off if you're not careful. If you're trying to, muscle it. There's 4. That's 4. So the wife tried to muscle the plant out of the ground, which caused some of them to fall off. So just keep that in mind. This might not be the best technique. You might want to dig around your potato plant and then pull it out. I'm sure there's other YouTube videos. Okay, she's going to do this one, folks. So look at it. Oh, yeah. Those roots go way down. And, oh, there we go. There's potato.
That's a good size. These are really some good sized potatoes. I mean, look at the original potato sizes to that one. So we're doing pretty good. for a first time.
But wait, weren't those quarter potatoes though?
not
originally?
not this batch.
That was okay. You put a full potato in the ground.
Yeah, on these, yeah.
Oh wow. So we've got, I don't know if we got 5 pounds of potatoes yet. Probably not.
Not bad for
Working on a 3-pound bag of potatoes.
for Father's Day. I'll cook you some homegrown potatoes, baby.
Just not today, right?
Tonight with our steak dinner.
Really? I thought you had to wait till they dried out.
No, that's if you want when you store them, you want the skin to get hardened.
Uh-huh.
But we can eat these fresh. That's fine. All right, so now I got to go dig for that one. So there's the original on that one.
Now that would be amazing if you, oh gosh, look at this. That's a good one. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, Japanese beetle flying around. He's probably wondering where his plant went. Have you seen the Japanese beetles on
No,
these?
not they don't get on these. They just like fruit type of plants.
Okay. Yeah, folks, you can see the damage there.
Yeah, I had to
Tomatoes.
take the screen off because
It's not getting enough
we're not
sun. There's
getting
one.
the strawberries because they're not getting pollinated.
Oh.
I'm not feeling anything else.
I wish my post office scale still worked. We could weigh our the potatoes we have. But you can kind of see there's the seed potato somewhere, I'd say 3 times the quantity of potatoes versus the seed potato. And if we're able to replant the seed potato, folks, and this will just keep going on and on.
So, yeah.
All right. Well,
There's
that's
our take. Out of 4 potatoes, that's how many we got.
seed potatoes. Some good looking potatoes in there. Way better than what you see at the store because they haven't gotten all dinged up and bashed and bruised. So
And it's organic. There's no sprays on
totally
it.
organic.